DH36 Basic Operation. Perform the following checks before turning on the analyzer. Here is the overview. Totally 6 steps. Step 1. Prepare the tools. Step 2. Log in analyzer. The initial username and password of administrator are ADMIN, which was set by the service engineer. This is the analysis interface after login analyzer. Step 3. Here are requirements for normal background. Run 3 times test to confirm if there is an abnormal background. Press the aspiration key only, without any sample being aspirated. Step 4. Test QC. Input targets and limits. Mix controls well and test. Click QC interface and stay on the QC settings interface. Click the New button. Input lot number, expiration date, QC ID and choose the QC level. Input the targets and limits. Save. Choose the corresponding lot number of QC in use. Click QC Analysis. Choose the corresponding file number which matches the controls. Mix controls well. Aspirate controls. To ensure reliable analysis results, please conduct this daily QC test and check if it is out of range before running blood samples. Step 5. Blood sample test. Input patient information. Mix blood sample well and test. Select the blood sample mode VWB. And input information of patient. When mixing sample, be sure to shake any sample that has been prepared for a while before running it. Remove the tube cap carefully and place the sample under the probe so that the probe can aspirate the well-mixed sample. Press the aspirate key on the analyzer to start running the sample. The sample will be aspirated by the sample probe automatically. You will find the analysis result here. Then do validation and print for it. Step 6. Power off Analyzer. Click the shutdown button on the menu screen. Click Yes. Follow the instructions and present the cleanser to the sample probe. And press the aspirate key of the analyzer. Follow the instructions to power off the analyzer. For more operation details, please refer to the operator manual. Thank you for watching.